live for this whole time for like an hour, but I don't know if I got that video or not. I just had my meeting with the prosecutor. I did record backup audio. So if I was not able to get the video of it, I still got the backup audio of it. I did try my best to get a video of that. I'm getting ready to go in and talk with the judge. So I'm just kind of waiting my turn here. I'm just providing this short update. I am here in the court, and I have been using this clever method. Recording. Well, I've been doing my best to document things and make video and make audio recordings. That's the courtroom. Stipulations, definition of litter. That's the most important one right there. Remove that the prosecution be required to stipulate the definition for litter. One, I hope to request the ability to record video of proceedings, and I will describe my intent to join these different trials together. Now, I described all of this to the prosecutor today, and he did a much better job of listening this time than the previous time we spoke. But we still have a lot of stuff to go through, and I intend to present oral arguments with regard to this written complaint. I've already submitted this complaint. Mr. Mills told Mr. Lemon that there were only two options, which were to set a date for trial or to accept the plea deal. Mr. Mills denied Mr. Lemon the right to discuss stipulations, the right to request additional details, the right to request a bill of particulars. Mr. Mills denied Mr. Lemon the right to request for the court to dismiss the case because any bill of particulars furnished does not constitute the offense intended to be charged. Denied Mr. Lemon the right to learn the prosecution's primary legal strategy. All these other rights. Look at this. Mr. Mills feigned ignorance and pretended not to understand Mr. Lemon's clearly articulated expressions of good communication. Mr. Mills said, okay, we'll just set it for trial, or words close to those with equal effect. Mr. Mills turned his back on Mr. Lemon, while Mr. Lemon was still attempting to communicate. As Mr. Mills turned to leave and began to walk away, Mr. Lemon asked, Mr. Mills argued illiterate. Mr. Mills told Miss Ellis that Mr. Lemon wished to set a date for trial, but in fact, Mr. Lemon wished to present motions and would have wished to request an additional pretrial hearing if he had known of this right. This is the page to focus on. So I'm just calling out all the numbers, all the codes. Page 6. I'm going to start with page 6. Do it like that. What else? What else? What else? Quest to record video of proceedings. Stick it away. What else do I need to stick it away to? We'll work on that next time. Creating a link. Chat then. Oh, hey, chat. Hello, chat. Hey, chat. Hey, thanks for the positive energies. Have you seen the BAM map? I don't think so. Hello. Hey. Hey, Alan. Hey. Hey, I'm doing okay. I I tried to get a video earlier. It would have been awesome if it worked. I thought it was working. Where I met with the prosecutor. But what I've got now still is I did backup audio recording. Smart guy. And so I got the audio. So I didn't get the live stream that I thought I was getting, but I get to say hi to everybody now. I'm waiting for my turn to talk to the judge. Look, I'll show you where I'm waiting. See? Look, I'm not allowed to film back over there behind the window, but I can show all this stuff. Yeah. I got this whole place to myself. Not completely to myself. So, yeah, today's meeting went really well. It was completely different than the other time I met with the same guy. What is you? I am an Eagle Scout. An Eagle Scout of the Boy Scouts of America. I obtained that rank. It gives me the ability to have citizenship in the community, to represent myself as a pro se attorney, utilizing all of these detailed notes. But the most important ones are the ones I wrote up here. That's what I'm actually going to focus on. All this stuff is just to back me up. All this stuff. I will not be able to take the camera into the courtroom. I was able to have the camera here with Mr. Mills, but I think the live stream did not capture that part. That's too bad, but that's part of the learning process. It's okay. I got recorded the audio. Cool suit. Thank you. Thank you. I think I look quite snazzy. Just gotta adjust the comb for a little bit, get it all piled up on top there. Chronically online much? Just recently. But mostly right now, today and last night, or early this morning, I've been preparing for this meeting that I just had, which did not get captured on the live stream. So basically, we missed the big highlight, but I got it recorded on. I got it recorded on audio. Yeah, because I'm in the lobby. That's right. Once I go into the courtroom, I have to turn it off. But I had this thing going. I don't know. Maybe one of the guards messed with it because they were like searching my bag. I didn't really double check it to see if it was streaming because all of a sudden everything happened so quickly. There was so much activity. There was all these people here. Now it's quiet and relaxed. But yeah, I went through all this stuff with the prosecutor, and this time he actually sat down and listened to me. And I think that might be because I submitted this written complaint about the same guy to the court, and it's all official, and it got processed, and it's part of the record. At least I'm not a bag also. Were you a suspect? Oh yeah. I'm the defendant. and the plaintiff is the state of Utah buying through Kaysville City, and they have falsely accused me. They have falsely accused me of littering. That's right. I have all the documentation in the universe. See, this is it right here. Look. Here you go. Those are the evidence preservation requirement notices that I posted at T-Mobile. In fact, I have it here. I'll show you. This posted. This is the original that I photocopied. Notice to T-Mobile. Noticing litigation. Do not destroy surveillance footage. Do not delete text messages. Do not delete emails. Do retain all communications regarding Matthew Lemon. I signed this thing. I dated it. I put it up. Legally served the evidence preservation requirement notices. Oh, the fine at this point is down to nothing. They had it like they were saying like $100 and like 4 hours of community service or something. But this is not about money. This is about a much bigger issue, because this is the tip of the iceberg in terms of my legal issues right now. There's 6 charges now. It was 5. Now there's 6 at least that they've put against me. In 3 different jurisdictions, and in order for my personal lawsuits in the future to be effective, I have to beat these false criminal charges. I cannot plead out. If I plead out, then I lose my future ability to seek compensation and damages. I am suspected. I have stipulated with the prosecution that I did indeed place these notices. It was me. This is the original, and this is an evidence preservation requirement notice, and this is the legal manner to post it. Now, if I could have just handed it to the employees, that would have been great, but I was not able to, because I had a trespass warning. I have that in here too, in fact. Let's see here. Notices. Look. Court notice. See, trespass warning. See, trespass notice. See? So I could not just walk in there and hand the evidence preservation requirement notice to the employees. So what happens, for example, if you are a landlord and you're going to evict somebody, then what you do is you follow the court rules, the Utah court's website eviction instructions, and you have to, if no one is home, then tape or post the notice on the front door. And this is relevant to section 76B-6-805. If you have multiple tenants, serve multiple copies, one for each person. What's the definition of send according to Utah statute 70A-1A-201? Send in connection with the writing, record, or notice means in any other way to cause to be received any record or notice within the time it would have arrived if properly sent. If sent like by mail, the normal way. I have properly sent these notices. I've caused them to arrive. And what is it that I'm really trying to do with this evidence preservation requirement notice is establish knowledge. I need to establish the fact that the T-Mobile managers and employees and owners and stuff did indeed receive these notices and saw them. And so I have established knowledge. So that's at least one benefit here. Let's see, I got some comments here. What was the fine for littering? Just a little bit. Would you rather fight a horse-sized duck or that's a great question, or 100 duck-sized horses? Mm. Oh, great. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going in. See you later. Thanks for saying that, everybody. I would rather fight 100 duck-sized horses. Max compensation, I'm expecting no idea. That's like so far. I'm just following the steps that I have to follow. Good luck. Thank you, Alan. See you guys. Best wishes. Thank you.